sobat, jadi saya inti Kiki di Alun Alun Tilamuta.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic.
Ini ada wahana. Wahana ini baru dibangun, belum lama, baru ada sebulan. Wahana ini dibangun. Ini ada Kiki lagi bermain di sini. Jalan-Jalan Tilamuta. Kemarin saya dan Kiki di Kecamatan Motilango. Kita ada 2 minggu di sana. Kebetulan juga libur panjang. Panjangnya itu 2 meter. Sobat, kita akan ke sana. Kita akan lihat suasana alun di sore hari ini.
I'm a human being, cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel